Hey guys, for all the details on this Yaki straight half wig from ISEE Hair, make sure to keep watching.
My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are getting into a half wig from ISEE Hair. So here it is. It is a Yaki straight texture. So I'm going to be installing this unit, giving you my honest review. I'm also going to show you the unboxing, everything that came along with this unit and the construction of the unit. Also, I do want to note that I did go ahead and dye this unit a jet black color after I did unbox. So this is what the unit looks like after air dry. Absolutely amazing. Like, I have not put any kind of heat or anything on it. Absolutely gorgeous. So a lot of people ask me, like, what do I use to dye my units? So I go to State Beauty Supply, which is for cosmetologists, and I use Redken Shades EQ, which is a demi-permanent color, and I just dye it with a jet black color. Now, any dye would be able to work, but that's just my personal preference. That's what I use on my actual hair as well. So that's just what I use on my units too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump to the unboxing so you can see the packaging, how beautifully it came, and everything that came along with it. And then we're gonna come right back so I can go ahead and install. I think I might, I don't know if I wanna leave this just like super straight or put some loose curls in it, but we will figure it out when we get there. So go ahead and tune into this unboxing. All right guys, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So the hot pink ISEE Hair box, it comes in a little gift bag, and so the box, we're gonna open that up. It's packaged very nicely. And of course in the box we have the unit. I'll show you this more in just a moment, but this is a Yaki straight texture in 20 inches. Inside the box we have an elastic band with the Velcro, which we will not need because we are not laying any lace. We also have a pack of wig caps, an elastic band for the inside of the unit. This is actually an extra one. There's already one installed. And then here is a little brochure just to show how to care for the hair and their contact information. And there's also another little card in here with their social medias and their wig care tips. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this unit out of the bag, out of the netting, and take the paper out so we can get a better look at the construction. All right, so as far as the construction, the hair is kind of flipped over so no track will be exposed. One comb in the front, two on the side, one in the back, also the elastic band and a drawstring right there in the back. Also, we do have adjustable straps in the inside. Now again, this is a Yaki straight texture, a natural black color, and 20 inches long. All right, so I am back. So let's go ahead and just prep the hair for this half wig. So this unit is 20 inches long. Actually, let me go ahead and provide you the specs on this while I have you, and then we'll go ahead and install. So again, this unit was sent to me from ISEE Hair. Here's the inside of the unit. We have that beautiful drawstring. So this is their wear and go half wig, ISEE Hair, Yaki straight drawstring half wig, invisible hairline flip over wig. So again, this unit is 20 inches long. Let me get you the price for 20 inches. It's $162.10. They do have lengths ranging from 14 inches. So for those who like something short and sweet, 14 inches all the way up to 26 inches. So if you like a bust down, they have you covered as well. Okay, so I'm not really seeing any kind of specs as far as the density on this unit. If I had to guess, I would say 180%. Again, 20 inches. It is full all the way to the bottom. So here is the bottom of the unit. But let's go ahead and just install. So for this unit, I kind of want to do something a little different than I normally do with my half wigs. Usually I part just like an inch behind the hairline just so I have just enough to cover, but this time I'm going to go a little further back, maybe 2 inches or so, because I do want to attempt to do like a half up, half down with this. So about 2 inches behind the hairline, and my hair is freshly relaxed. I did relax it about half of a week ago. But I feel like Yaki straight just goes super duper well with relaxed hair, or if your hair is able to straighten out really well with being natural, then this will go well with your hair as well. Mine just does not, child, it does not straighten out very well when it's natural. So here we go. So about 2 inches behind the hairline, so about right behind my ear is where I have made that part. So I'm going to go ahead and just clip this out of the way so we can go ahead and install. All right, so got my clip there. Okay. All right, so for the rest of the hair, now here you can braid this down, you can just pull it back into a ponytail. Since my hair is kind of short, it's in a bob cut, I'm just going to pull it back into a low ponytail and secure it with a little black rubber band. So I'm going to turn around so I can show you. So right here in the back of my head and with a little black rubber band. Now I like to do it with a little black rubber band instead of like a ponytail holder or a, like a ponytail holder, because a ponytail holder is going to leave it super bulky and I just want everything to lay nice and flat. So now I'm going to put just a regular nude wig cap, tuck that ponytail under, and so here we go, nice and flat here in the back. Okay, so now we could go ahead and install this unit. And okay, now full disclaimer, I did go ahead and put this on yesterday just to see what it looked like, and I fell in love with it. I'm like, let me take this off because I have not reviewed it yet. I don't want to put a lot of wear into it until I actually show you all. So I know that I already love this unit, so full disclosure there. So we're gonna go ahead and insert this front comb right here in the front. And I love that the comb is right here on the edge of the front of the unit. So just stick it right there. And then we have 2 combs on the side. I'm gonna put those 2 combs in as well. So right there, right in front of that wig cap. Now, as far as the back of the unit, we're going to pull it down on top and insert the back comb in the back of my hair. So we also have this drawstring. Going to pull on this drawstring, make sure that everything is nice, tight, and secure, and then secure it with this little knob. Now, with the end of the drawstring, I just like to just tuck it into the side of the unit. We are done. All right, so that is all you have to do to install a half wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and just comb my hair on top of it so you can see what that looks like. Now, since I did leave out a nice amount of hair, and again, my hair is cut into a short bob, I am gonna have to do something to it. I just cannot leave it like this because you could clearly see the leave out, right? Now, if I just wanted to just wear it straight, then I would bring the unit up further and maybe just leave out maybe 1 inch behind the hairline. But again, I'm going to attempt to do a half up, half down. But first, let me go ahead and curl this up, and I'm going to use my Conair curling iron. And I'm going to come right back because I don't want to bore you, but I'm going to come right back so we can go ahead and put this into a half up, half down. All right, so really quickly, before I do go ahead and curl it up, I do want to go ahead and turn around because I forgot to do that, so I can show you all angles of what this looks like. So again, you can clearly see my leave out. So just pretend that I left out less leave out, but here is the side and here is the back. I will say that the cap is a little bulky, but that's okay because we're going to disguise that with the curls. And 20 inches comes down to like the bottom of my waist in its straight state. Side again, and then also let me give you all a texture shot. So disregard my leave out, but here is the texture of the unit. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl this up and I'm gonna come right back. All right, so I just finished curling and here is what the curls look like. As you can see, it holds heat very, very well. So I'm just gonna comb it out with a wide tooth comb. Now, I'm not gonna put any kind of layers or anything in this right now, maybe down the line, because again, I wanted to do a half up, half down. So I just wanted to curl it and kind of just show you what it looks like all down. Show you what the flip over looks like. So yes, you can flip it over from side to side. If you wanted to give the illusion of like a left side part, then you would be able to do that and kind of put like a heavy bang. And I kind of want to just backtrack just a second here. So when I said that the unit was bulky here in the back, that is because I have it pulled back so far. But if you just put it where it normally goes, just right behind the hairline, you would not have that bulkage. But here it is. And this is the flip over. And of course, it would look a lot better if I put layers in it, but we are not doing that today. But I absolutely love this. So with a half wig, you have your edges exposed, gives more of a natural look. So as you can see, you cannot detect that unit whatsoever. I'm also going to turn around so you can see what it looks like with the curls. So of course the front, and then we have the side, and here is the back. And with the curl, it comes up to like bra strap length. Very flowy and bouncy, no tangling, no snagging. Very, very minimal shedding. I feel like with Yaki straight units, no matter what type of unit it is, Yaki straight is going to shed just a little bit, and that's okay. Our own hair sheds. So that's not really a negative to me. So here is the unit just all down, but I am going to go ahead and just pull it back into a half up, half down. But let me go grab an elastic band really quickly. All right, guys, so for this half wig, what I'm going to do is just brush all of my hair towards the back. I decided to leave out some little flyaway pieces right by my ear, but other than that, everything gets brushed towards the back. I'm going to gather up all of my hair that is left out, as well as part of the half wig, and gather that towards the back of my hair. Now, this is not going to be a high half up, half down. It's going to be more so a lower half up, half down, but I'm just trying to separate out the half wig there in the back. And again, just brushing everything so everything lays nice and flat. Once I have the ponytail to my liking, I'm going to take an elastic band and I'm going to turn around so I can show you what this looks like as well. But I am going to secure this ponytail with this elastic band. And that is pretty much it for a half up, half down. Now, I did want to do this as a voiceover just so that this video was not super long. But as you can see, you have some versatility with this half wig. You could wear it all down. You could do a half up, half down. There's options here, and I love that about a half wig. Also, I'm just going to bring some of the hair to the front so you can see exactly what it looks like from the front as well. All right, so here we go. An instant half up, half down look. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so I can show you all angles. So of course, the front, here we have the side, back, side again, and front. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this unit. So pro number one for me is how natural this is. I love units that expose my hairline. Absolutely love that. I'm trying to step away from the lace, the closures, and the frontals, and just really embrace rocking my own natural hair with a little bit of enhancement. So V-part wigs, U-part wigs, half wigs is bundles is kind of what I'm leaning towards, and also clip-ins. So Absolutely love this unit. Love the texture. The texture really mimics my own texture of hair with a relaxer. So again, it really blends in well with a relaxer, or if your natural hair can straighten out very well. So love that. The unit takes color very well. So again, I did dye it to a jet black color. Holds curls very well. The length is absolutely gorgeous. This is so simple and easy. I feel like anybody is able to install a half wig. As you can see, it is super duper undetectable. You cannot even tell that I am wearing a wig right now. Looks like maybe a sew-in or a quick weave, or just clip-ins in the back. I don't know, but this took no time at all to install, and I love me a half wig. I also love that it has that drawstring right there in the back, so it adjusts to all head shapes and sizes. So super easy install, super natural looking, and it's just a look. It is just a look. So $167, I believe I said, for this 20-inch. Again, they have lengths from 14 inches all the way up to 26 inches. So you have your pick of lengths. But yes, this length is absolutely gorgeous. I'm super obsessed with this style. This is how my hair is going to be for Mother's Day. So yes, super quick and easy. Actually, we're going to Kansas City in a couple of hours. So yeah, just whip something together with my hair. Super quick and easy. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Again, the hair is super duper soft, no tangling, and again, I did dye this unit, so you saw what it looked like after being washed. The texture was still absolutely amazing. But yeah, no shedding. Well, just a couple of strands of shedding, but nothing super major. Also, I love the placement of the combs here in the front. So we have a comb right here in the middle, and then right here still towards the front of the unit, and then that comb there in the back. Also, it has the adjustable straps and the drawstring in the back. So super secure. This unit is not going anywhere. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be rocking this definitely for the rest of the week. So if I post on Instagram, just don't be surprised if you see this unit in some pictures. But yeah, I'm going to put everything down in the description box, a link to ISEE Hair, a link to this gorgeous half wig. If I do have any kind of promo codes, I'll put that down there as well. But let me give you all a length check here in the front before I wrap it up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all next time.